Welcome back. In this video, we are going to research hashtags, and I'm going to show you how you can search for other people, for trending topics, etc., etc. So down at the bottom, we're going to click that magnifying glass looking thing. All right, now up here, I'm going to click the search box. Now over here, it's suggesting top people. That's top. That's people. That's tags, places, etc. So we're gonna click on tags and let's search mom. Okay. So over here you can see all the related hashtags. So mommy has 14.1 million posts. Moms has 3.6 million. When you're just starting out, you really don't want to be using hashtags with that many posts, because the second you post, it's just gonna get flooded with other posts as well, and you won't be found. Trust me when I say that. So you want to find some more niche hashtags. You want to really narrow it down, and you want to find smaller hashtags. So right here, mom style, that's a few million lower, but that's still way too much. You want to look at around 100,000 or less. So I'm thinking that probably wasn't a good hashtag to go for, but I'm gonna click tattooed mom just because there's less than 1 million. Okay, so now here it shows you the top posts for this tag. All right, and if you scroll back up, you'll click recent. Obviously, those are the most recent posts. Now this right here, the related at the very top right here, this is going to be super, super helpful, and this will help you niche down even more and find related hashtags. So I'll go ahead and click inked mom. So there you go, it drops it down even more to 245,000 posts. All right, mom with tattoos, 48,000. So if you were making a post and you're a mom and you have tattoos, that would be a good hashtag to use. Okay. So that's pretty much how you do your research. What you want to do, so when you're posting pictures of your products or pictures relative to your business, you want to use hashtags that your target market, your customers, are going to be using. You also want to look into those hashtags and interact with the posts that you see. Okay, so back to the profile. I'm going to click my post. And right here, the 3 dots, you can click edit. Now, there's so much information out there. Some say you have to put your hashtags in the captions. Other people say you should put them in the comments. Other people say if you put them in the comments that Instagram sees it as spam. I don't think any of that is true. And I don't think it matters whether you put them in the caption or you put them in the comments. If Instagram lets you do it, then obviously it's okay to do it. Now, you are allowed to add 30 hashtags, but again, the rumor mill goes, and people are saying that if you use all 30 hashtags, that Instagram is going to see you as spam. It could be true, it may not be true, I don't know. But using 30 hashtags is quite a bit. You should use between 5, 10, 15 at most, and you really, really want to make sure that they're relative to your post. And if the hashtags match what's actually going on in your picture and description, even better. That's good search engine optimization points. Major, major points. Now, another thing I want to mention is Instagram actually has image recognition technology. So they know, for the most part, what's going on in your picture. So they could probably see here a mom, a child / daughter / girl, whatever else they can gather from this picture. A dress, shoes, you name it. So if you were to use hashtags that relate to what's in the image, you might rank higher, I would imagine. Instagram really wants to crack down on spam, and they want you to be organic and as authentic as possible. So wherever you want to put your hashtags, whether it's in the comment or it's in the description, if it's in the description, I would recommend first writing your description right here, push the 1, 2, 3 button, push return, and just add a few periods. That way, when people see your post in search or on their home, they're going to see your description and not just a huge chunk of hashtags. So we'll go ahead and put our hashtag in here. Okay, right here it shows you your most recent, or you can manually type a hashtag in. I'm just going to click the most recent, but you can type whatever. I'm not actually going to put that on there because I don't want to be showing up. This is just a test Instagram profile, so we're not actually going to be using it, but you get the picture. So you can do that in there. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. But right here, so you see the heart button, then you see the comment bubble. You can put your hashtag there as well. And again, it'll start pulling up hashtags, and you can pick the one that you think is the best. Like I said, try to keep it under 100,000 and you'll have a better chance of showing up. Okay? Now right here, see this little arrow button? I think this is a super cool feature. You can copy the link and you can add it to other places, whether you want to share an Instagram post with one of your friends. But right here, add to story. If you click that, you can add this post to your story. We're not going to go into that right now, so don't worry about it, but just wanted to let you know what that is. So there you go. Just research your hashtags. If you want to look online, there are banned hashtags that if you use them, Instagram will shadow ban you. And that's not a rumor. So I would recommend going on Google and typing in banned Instagram hashtags and make sure you're not using them in your posts. All right, well, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.